the 2017 Ram 1500. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.